Hi, this is Matt with pinstripekits.com. Just making a quick addendum or amendment video for the installation videos. This is the best way, I think, to stripe a car accurately is just put first yellow masking tape up. I like a 3/4 1 inch gap under most situations. Under a feature line or on a feature line is okay. And then once you have those, go ahead and take the blue 1/4 inch painter's tape. It's very cheap on Amazon, and just sling it, one panel at a time if you have to. And then you have the blue line is absolutely straight. So from there, and go ahead and put the stripe one panel at a time is what I recommend, right directly under the blue masking tape, and then just go all the way down one panel at a time, and you're gonna have a perfectly straight pinstripe kit. And then when you're done, just and I'll show you, because I really actually striped over my original, as you just take it all off and you'll have a perfectly straight pinstripe with the gap you like. Thank you.